of Mr. Pangilinan. Thank you, Manny. For the last 50 years, we have presented for your viewing pleasure more than 6,000 events, witnessed by more than 35 million people. For that, we thank you very much. Tonight, we unveil a new chapter of our existence as we proudly announce a partnership with a corporate giant, Smart Communications. It is not only an alliance, but a fusion of ideas and ideals to bring more sports, entertainment, and youth development to you. So from today, Araneta Coliseum is no more. It is now Smart Araneta Coliseum. Salamat po.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Right now, let's have the photo opportunities first with the Pilipinas Beauty Queens. Thank you, ladies, and now let's have our PBA All-Stars. And now let's call on the Smart All-Stars to join the group for this photo opportunity. Thank you very much, PBA All-Stars. One last photo opportunity with the Smart All-Stars. Everybody, let's all give it up once again for the new partnership of Smart and Araneta.
welcome you to the championship capital of Philippine basketball, the Smart Araneta Coliseum. And what a way, huh? What a way to start the history of the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Ito lang naman. O, titingnan natin itong opening na to. Ito na siguro pinakamalaking opening na nangyari. And the biggest, there have been concerts. There have been basketball. There have been pageants. There have been pageants. Yes. But nothing can compare to the glitz and the glamour and the all-star factor of today's event. Okay, we will take a very short break, mga kapatid, and when we return, we'll start the Smart Ultimate All-Star Weekend.
Smart and MVP Sports Foundation, also brought to you by PLDT, Meralco, TV5, Gatorade, Maynila Metro Pacific Tollways, Felix Mining Corporation, Metro Pacific Investments, PS Bank Auto Loan, Smart Araneta Coliseum, Bulldog Shoes, Super Glue, and Water Stop Wet and Dry Sealant, Clear for Men, Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, Chevrolet, Blackwater, KFC Tower Burger, Voice Combo Sandwich, Petron Blaze, Centrum, Vaseline Men Face Scrub, EDSA Shangri-La Manila, and Pizza Hut with media partners, The Philippine Star and Philippine Daily Inquirer.
Nandito po ako sa Araneta Coliseum para sa unang araw ng ating Ultimate All-Star Weekend. Ang daming tao, napaka-exciting. I'm very lucky to be here. Maraming salamat po at naging party po ako nitong show na to. At you know what? Andito na yung mga players. Excited na sila maglaro. It's PBA All-Stars versus Smart All-Stars para sa unang araw. At bukas abangan nyo rin po Smart Gilas versus Smart All-Stars. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Huwag nyo nang ilipat yung channel, okay?
Yun po ang itsura sa labas. Ito naman ang itsura sa loob ng Championship Capital of Philippine Basketball, the Araneta Coliseum. And I can tell you, from deep personal experience, I have had many basketball experiences, but this is like no other. Unmatched, unparalleled, at totoo lang, unbelievable to be seeing all these players in one team, in one place, dito po sa may atin. Iba po, pag tayo pumupunta ng Estados Unidos para panoorin sila. Ibang-iba naman, pag sila ang pumupunta dito para maglaro sa harap po nating lahat. Magandang gabi po, Pilipinas. Nico Alili welcoming you to the special active coverage of the Smart Ultimate All-Star Weekend. Kasama po natin Jason Webb and Smart Gilas point guard Jimmy Alapag. Ano, Nico, itong nakikita natin ngayong araw na to, punong-puno po ang Araneta Coliseum. At bakit naman hindi? I believe when as a kid, you have two dreams. Yung una, maging PBA player. Yung pangalawa, makapunta ng Amerika at makapanood ng mga All-Stars. Sa araw na to, makikita nila ang kanilang mga All-Star idols dito mismo sa Pilipinas. Kalaban pa ang kanilang mga PBA idols. Jimmy, nagkaroon na tayo ng mga teams from the US. Naglaro na dito dati. We've had mga US legends and US All-Stars going here individually. What makes this event so different?
It's an incredible event to have all these players here in the Philippines together. It's gonna be incredible for Philippine basketball and for the PBA, and sobrang excited ako. So looking forward to the game.
Okay, excited na po kami lahat, and as well as the thousands inside the Big Dome and the thousands watching over Active. Ngayon busy po itong ating Smart All-Stars throughout the day. They started their day with a clinic, no, with Pinoy youngsters sa may Inares Sports Arena in Pasig. Ayan. sila Derrick Rose, Kobe Bryant, Derek Fisher, James Harden. Nagturo po sila no ng mga fundamental sa mga bata. No? It's all part of reaching out. It's all part of touching lives, Jason.
And you can see that itong mga all-stars natin, lahat tinuturuan nila, bata, may edad ng konti, babae at lalaki, tinuruan na rin nila. And this is what they're giving back dito sa Pilipinas. Not only are they gonna give us a show today, they were also showing up dun sa mga clinic at nagtuturo ng kabataan na Pilipino.
So iyan po yung naging clinic sa may Inares Sports Arena in Pasig. I'm sure unforgettable po na karanasan yan for the kids who took part in a very special event. Jimmy, can you imagine yung feeling ng mga bata who were part of that event? You get to learn from these US All-Stars.
It has to be a dream come true for these kids. You know, we see these guys all the time on TV, and to actually have an up-close experience with them, it's really a special thing for those kids and for these fans here tonight in Araneta. It's going to be a great weekend.
Okay, after naman po nung clinic ng mga bata, ito, naghanda na yung ating mga Smart All-Stars, and in a moment, we'll bring you the highly anticipated start of the Ultimate All-Star Weekend mula rito sa Big Dome, dito lamang sa Active. Nagpapatuloy ang ating special live coverage of the Smart Ultimate All-Star Weekend mula sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Migo Alili kasama Jason Webb at Jimmy Alapag, at habang nag-warm up po yung ating dalawang teams and all the All-Stars on the floor, we'll have a chance para mapakinggan yung tinig ng mga kasapi po ng Smart All-Stars at pati ng ating PBA All-Stars. I'll talk to the two gentlemen beside me in a moment. Pero sa ngayon po, let's welcome to our coverage Miss Angelicopter para sa ating PLDT chat. Angelicopter, take it away.
Hi, this is Angelicopter. Andito po tayo ngayon live sa PLDT chat with Chot. Hello, Sir Chot Reyes.
Hi, Angelicopter. Hi to all the televiewers. What an exciting event.
Yes, it certainly is. At saka, you know what, parang napaka-imposible na gawin tong event na to. Pero ngayon, finally, nandito na sila. Paano nyo po nagawa yun?
Well, the first thing is hindi namin tinanggap na imposible itong pangyayaring to. We felt there was a way, and we dreamt, and now we're here. Who would have known?
Yes, we're really, really happy, and thank you, Coach Chot, for making this happen. Thank you to MVP. Andito naman po sa tabi ko si James Yap. Ayan. So James, I think lahat ngayon nag-wonder, no? Paano kayo magpapasikat, ipakita nyo yung skills nyo sa ating mga all-stars?
Well, syempre, hindi naman natin maiwasan. Pride ang pinag-uusapan, di ba? So, syempre, gagawin namin kung ano man kaya namin gawin. So, yun, excited ako na makalaban ko yung mga idol ko.
Sino bang nanonood sa'yo ngayon na nag-cheer para sa'yo ngayon?
Si Baby James. Hi, Baby.
Alright, thank you so much. Well, there you have it. Miko and, the rest of the guys, it's back to you.
And thank you, Angelicopter, para sa ating PLDT chat. Nakausap niya, of course, Coach Chot Reyes, who will be coaching the PBA selection, kasama, of course, big game, James Yap. How do you coach a team like this, Jimmy, against a team like that, against the Smart All-Stars?
It's going to be a tough job for Coach Chot, but I think it's a great opportunity for the PBA guys, and I'm looking forward to seeing them play. I think they're going to go out there and give them a good battle. So I'm looking forward to it.
Jason, if you are James Yap, what goes through your mind right now? You are likely to be matched up against guys like Chris Paul and Tyreek Evans, of course, Kobe Bryant. What do you do?
Kailangan hindi mawawala yung lagi mong ginagawa. First thing na ginagawa ng player, magdasal. Pero ngayon, hahabaan mo lang yung dasal.
Hahabaan mo.
Oo, may extrang tulong na dasal dahil ibang klase itong magiging matchup ngayon ni James at, of course, the rest of the players.
So, ayan po, narinig natin, of course, ang malaking bagay, malaking aspect of this event is that, and Jimmy, you're probably privy to this, the short amount of time that was used to put this all together.
Yeah, it's like Coach Chot said earlier, it was really just something that Boss MVP and Coach Chot really dreamed about. And to have all of these players here tonight, it's electric in here in Araneta, and it's going to be a great weekend for Philippine basketball.
Okay, let's turn you over to Mr. Magu Marjon with our PLDT chat. Magu?
And we have the playing coach, the Black Mamba, Kobe Bryant, here on the floor of the Big Dome. You see the reception. You see the guys are going to be playing up against. What should we expect from